Bonjour. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. It's like 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock in the morning. So if you have Fire Pro Wrestling World, you click on this video and you're looking for how to actually delete everybody in the span of 50 to 30 minutes instead of wasting your time all day and deleting everybody, I'm going to show you right now. So where you want to go is to edit mode and then go all the way down to FPW net. And once you wait for the blackest of darkest of loading screens, you go all the way down to view FPW net. So I gotta do this into PowerPoint mode. So you click on your name. This is gonna take easily. I came across this like a year ago and I forgot all about it. Take it like quick easy. Now, once you actually do this, you go all the way to your name and you click on profile. Now, two methods you could do this. You can either do it the other way, one way. You can take your time, or by clicking everybody's name and hitting the subscribe button, which is going to take like 15 to 30 minutes, or you can actually hit the unsubscribe all and you'll be done in a quickie. So you go to the scribe items, it's like on the right side, and then, like I said before, I did this before and it took me didn't take me that long. So it's quite nicely done. You don't have to waste your time on this. So anywho, you go to, like for example, you want to click on the hurricane, you click on his name and then you click on subscribe. And then you do it depending on how many you have. If you want to look for downloading or unsubscribing from characters, you can do that. You keep all your textures from ring mats and referees in general, or just hit the unsubscribe button. Simple, easy. Hopefully everybody got helpful. Drop a like to this video if this did get helpful for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video for Friday the 13th. I got something juicy for you, so I'll see you then. Deuces.